Hey there, creative entrepreneurs. Are you looking for an easy way to publish a coloring book on Amazon KDP? Well, you're in luck. Introducing the Bold Easy Nature Girly Coloring Pages Bundle, the perfect KDP interior that lets you publish stunning coloring books with zero hassle. Whether you're a seasoned publisher or just starting out, this bundle gives you an instant head start in the coloring book niche on Amazon. So, what makes this bundle special? Let's take a look. 60+ adorable coloring pages featuring flowers, cute animals, insects, trees, and fruits in a bold, easy-to-color style. Perfect for all ages and skill levels, from kids to adults looking for a relaxing coloring experience. Multiple file formats included: PNG, PDF, and SVG, making it super easy to edit or upload directly to KDP. Bonus: 15+ cover backgrounds to help you create an eye-catching book cover effortlessly. With this bundle, all you have to do is add your title, customize the cover, and upload to KDP. It's that easy. Publishing on KDP has never been easier. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Step 1. Download the Bold Easy Nature Girly Coloring Pages bundle from craftsbeefy.com. Step 2. Choose the files you want to use. We provide a ready-to-upload PDF, but you can also customize the pages if needed. Step 3. Use one of our 15+ cover backgrounds to design a beautiful book cover using Canva, Photoshop, or KDP's Cover Creator. Step 4. Log into your Amazon KDP account, upload your interior file, add your cover, set the title, description, and pricing, and hit publish. That's it. Within 24 to 48 hours, your book will be available for sale on Amazon worldwide. Why spend hours designing coloring pages when you can skip the hard work and focus on making sales? Save time and effort. No need to hire designers or create pages from scratch. High quality and unique designs. Professionally crafted for maximum appeal. Easy to edit and customize. Modify pages to fit your brand. Instant download. Start publishing right away. Don't wait. Get your Bold Easy Nature Girly Coloring Pages bundle today and start publishing your next best-selling coloring book on KDP. Click the link in the description to grab yours now. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more KDP tips, and comment below if you have any questions. Looking for more ready-made interiors? Check out craftsbeefy.com for more digital products designed to help you succeed. Happy publishing!